Good morning, children. Today we will move on to the next lesson. That is the fourth lesson. That is reflection of light. So what is light? Light we have already studied in your smaller classes. Light is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of vision. So light helps us to see. Then the next term what you have to study is a reflection. That also you have studied in your smaller classes. That is in 8th standard and 9th standard you have studied about reflection of light and refraction of light. Here you have to study in detail a reflection of light in this lesson and refraction of light in the next lesson. So now we will move on to reflection of light. What is reflection of light? So you have studied the definition, that is, when light falls on a smooth surface, it bounces back to the same medium, or light traveling from one medium, when it falls on a smooth surface, it comes back into the same medium. This phenomenon is known as a reflection of light. So light that is falling on a smooth surface comes back into the same medium, and this phenomenon is known as reflection of light. So here, as you see in the figure, it shows a simple demonstration of reflection of light. So while you were studying about reflection of light, you may have come across many terms, new terms. So we will rewind once again all the terms. So first one, see in the figure, you can see a ray of light falling on a mirror. And the ray of light that falls on the mirror, AO is the ray of light that falls on the mirror. And that ray of light that falls on the mirror is known as incident ray. Then OB is the reflected ray. That is the ray of light that comes back after hitting the mirror. That is OB is the reflected ray. And a normal which is drawn at the point of incidence. So what do you mean by point of incidence? Point of incidence means a point at which the light falls on the mirror. So the perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence is known as normal. Here ON is the normal. Then the next two terms you have to study is angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So what is angle of incidence? Angle of incidence means the angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as the angle of incidence. So here what is the angle of incidence? As you can see in the figure, the angle of incidence is angle AON. And the angle of incidence is represented by the letter small I. Then next we will move on to what is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. So angle of reflection means the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. Here angle NOB is the reflected angle or the angle of reflection. And the angle of reflection is usually represented using the letter small r. So all these questions are given in your textbook. You have to complete the textbook. Then next we will move on to laws of reflection. What are the laws of reflection? You might have studied in 8th standard. There are laws of reflection. First law, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That is, from this figure, you can see angle AON is equal to angle NOB. That is, small I is equal to small r. This is the first law. Then the second law is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lies in the same surface or lies in the same plane. This is the second law. So what are the laws of reflection? The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are the same. Then the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. Then as you can see in the next figure, it shows a regular reflection and irregular reflection. So what is regular reflection? Regular reflection means when light falls on a smooth surface, it reflects back obeying the laws of reflection. That is, the incident ray and the reflected ray moves according to the laws of reflection. And all the incident ray will be parallel and a parallel between themselves, and all the reflected rays will be parallel between themselves. In such occasions, you will be able to see the image clearly. So what about irregular reflection? Irregular reflection means when light falls on a rough surface, it reflects, but the reflection will be irregular, or it scatters in all directions. So you will not be able to see a clear image, or at least no image will be formed in the case of a irregular reflection.